Griffin, all the salty coming up next. James Adler, James. Jason, I'll give it in the book for Cooper. Jason Griffin, all the salty. 4. I don't know who names this, can you?
I ain't blocking the view. Huh? I ain't blocking the view.
It's Terry Roby on the code blue. Next on deck. And Matthew Fan on the old blue.
The code blue, that's pretty nasty.
8,000 pound light pro stock tractors. Get them in the station area. 8,000 pound light pro stock tractors. Steve Flint, Russell Tanner, Aaron D. There's your front 40. Working in the station area. All right, 4 fans, all right. He's got a Chevrolet at the 330 mark.
Get it.
Oh, he was so close. 329.
329.
329, 82. They pulled up no ball. He's probing the track to see if it's soft or hard. And if it's real hard, that's the kind of way you want to run. If it's soft, you're not that warm on the CZ. If it's soft, you got to remember, you're not only pulling through that, you're having to pull through that soft ground. Think of it as walking in the sand. If you're down there closer to the water, it's easy walking. The sand's packed and it's rough. You walk up the beach a little bit, the sand starts getting a little bit softer, a little bit harder to walk in. That is about the equivalent to truck and tractor pulling, because not only that you're walking, but you've got to pull that sled through that soft ground. So if that sled is coming through the soft ground, it has more of a drag on the track. Very moving on the code blue Chevrolet fan.
Alright, I'll try with this.
Right now, you've got a 330.74 Cooper on the buckshot. It's healthy. 336.93.
336.9. It's kind of showing the track. Oh no, look.
340.82, 340.80.
You know where he at?
Pullers in the pits, make sure you got all your safety
He's the one that does all the motor work
equipment
for the truck.
Yeah, this is the one we came down here with.
making sure you have all your safety equipment
He pulled first last year here.
January, looking for dirt on this Chevrolet.
Thing sounds good though. Yeah.
That's everything we've done to that truck. It better sound good. It better run good too. All the stuff that Dad and Jamie and me have put in it. Work on it.
January, only looking for dirt.